Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix reels are not showing on Instagram. So guys, if you are open your Instagram app and facing the issue that reels are not showing, then how can you fix this problem? So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings in your Android phone or iPhone and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys, after this, you need to open your Play Store in your Android phone. And if you are using iPhone, then you need to open your App Store. And guys, I am using Android, therefore I am opening my Play Store. And guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching it, you need to click on Instagram and click on Instagram. And guys, here you can see you need to update your Instagram app. So because of update, many problems are occur in Instagram. So guys, simply you need to update this app. So guys, after updating, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of app management. So guys, simply you need to click on app management, and after this, here is the option of app list. So guys, you need to click here, and guys, here you need to find Instagram. So guys, after finding Instagram, you need to click on Instagram. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you can see here is the Instagram app. You need to click on here, and guys, here is the option of storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click here, and guys, first of all, you need to click on clear cache, and guys, after this, clear storage, and click on OK. And guys, after doing this, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, so guys, you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, click on your main profile, click on three lines, and guys, after this, you need to click on settings and privacy. Click here, and guys, after this, you need to click on help, and here is the option of report a problem. So guys, simply you need to click here, and guys, here is the option of report a problem. You need to click here and click on include and continue. And guys, after this, here you need to write your problem that you are not showing reels on Instagram account. So guys, after writing your problem, so guys, here you need to upload screenshot of your problem in which you are not showing your Instagram app, and guys, Instagram reels. And guys, after this, you need to click on send, and after sending your problem, within a day your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to see the reels option in on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.